Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you make Roblox on Xbox less laggy. First, dive into Roblox's in-game settings. Lowering your graphics quality is a quick win. Try setting it to 2 or 3 bars. Also, reduce your render distance significantly, perhaps to 5 or 6 studs. Disabling shadows and other visual effects will further lighten the load on your Xbox, giving you a smoother gameplay experience with fewer frame drops. Next, let's optimize your internet connection. A wired Ethernet connection is far superior to Wi-Fi, offering more stable speeds and lower ping. Ensure your home network isn't bogged down by other devices streaming or downloading. If possible, aim for an internet speed of at least 25 megabits per second for a smooth online gaming experience, minimizing frustrating lag spikes. Your Xbox console itself can impact performance. Regularly clear your console's cache. This removes temporary files that can accumulate and slow things down. Always keep your Xbox operating system updated to the latest version for optimal performance and bug fixes. Also, make sure to close all other games and applications running in the background before launching Roblox. Finally, consider some in-game and general maintenance tips. Playing on less crowded Roblox servers can significantly reduce server-side lag. A simple restart of both Roblox and your Xbox console can often resolve minor performance glitches. If you've tried everything else and still experience persistent issues, a fresh reinstall of Roblox might be the ultimate solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.